In this video we are going to demonstrate how to replace the pressure switch in your high flow Gold Series 1.0, 2.1 and 3.8 pumps. For this video we're going to be showing you how to do this with the 2.1 pump.
The pressure switch turns the motor on or off by sensing the pressure level in the sprayer plumbing. It does not control the pressure at which you will spray. The pressure switch can fail so that the motor will not run or may run continuously. It may also be damaged by freezing due to improper winterization. You will first remove the cover on the end of the switch by removing the Phillips head screw. Once the cover is off, disconnect the two wires. Then, remove the two screws on either side of the switch. You will notice a black rubber diaphragm that should stay on the upper housing that the switch attaches to. It does not need to be removed. This seals the switch from the fluid being pumped. This is a new pressure switch for a 2.1 gallon per minute Gold Series high flow pump. While the pressure switches for the 1.0 and the 3.8 gallon per minute Gold Series high flow pumps are similar, they cannot be interchanged. Attach the new pressure switch to the 2.1 gallon per minute pump. As you are doing your final tightening, alternate between the screws to maintain even pressure. Once that is complete, reconnect the two red wires and replace the cover.
This concludes the video demonstration on how to replace the pressure switch on your FIMCO High Flow Gold Series 1.0, 2.1 and 3.8 pumps.